Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Ethernet connection is connected but no internet access. So in this case, you have to go to the troubleshoot settings first. Go your search bar and write here troubleshoot settings. Now choose the first option. Sorry, you have to click on this additional troubleshooters. Now choose the first option internet connections. Then choose run the troubleshooter. Click on close and go to the next step. Before going to the next step, I recommend you to unplug your Ethernet connection and plug it again and see if there's problem has been solved, or if the problem is still exists, then go to the next step. So the next step is you have to go here this search bar and write here ncpa.cpl. Now click on open. Choose the Ethernet connection. Right click and go properties. In property section, you have to go to this internet protocol version 4 option. Double click and then you will see two options here: obtain DNS server address automatically and use the following DNS server address. Choose the second one and you have to write here the DNS server should be 8 8 8 and 8, and the alternative DNS server should be 8 8 4 4. Now you have to click on OK, then OK again. Now you can cross this one and go to the next step. The next step is you have to go to settings. To go settings, put your cursor on this Windows icon and right click and you'll find here settings. Then choose network and internet. Now scroll down and you'll find here network reset. Click on this and now click on reset now. After click on reset now, you have to go to the last step. The next step is you have to go device manager. Go device manager from here and find network adapters. This one, network adapters. Double click on this and find here Realtek PCI family controller. You have to just right click and update the driver. If it's all okay, now check back that your issues have been fixed or not. If there are still issues, then you have to do it, uninstall this driver and install again. Make sure you just uninstall it. After, go to this Google and write here Realtek network driver for Windows 10. Then you'll find the first option. Then you can download it from here. Okay, after download, install it. After install, you have to restart your computer. After restart, check back. I'm very much sure that your issues will be fixed right now. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.